What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. Give him chills here, aka Nash. And today we're going to be taking a look at another microphone. This microphone is from FIFINE, and if you it talks too fast, man. If you've been around the channel for a while, you know that I really like the microphones that FIFINE makes. This microphone just released from FIFINE about a month ago. This is the K683A. It's a new model. It supports Type-C, which is really important, and it's a big update for these microphones. It has a knob gain adjuster in the front. It has a mute button in the front as well as in the back. There's an output for the audio, so you can listen to the microphone as you're speaking into it. So all these features have been upgraded to this mic. This mic currently sells around $50 on Amazon. I'll leave all of those links down below in the description if you want to buy it. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And without further ado, let's open up this microphone, take a look at it, see what's in the box, and test the audio on this microphone. Let's go. What is going on, guys? Right now we have the K683 plugged into my PC. I have the audio pickup in Windows set to 85%. That is just a personal preference, no secret to it. It's just how I like putting all my USB microphones on. The knob on the microphone is set to 50%. We're going to test a few things here and there. The first thing we're going to be testing is the audio. The audio on this mic should sound similar to other FIFINE microphone when it comes to quality, but it has more features packed into it. So test number one is audio test going in 1, 2, 3. Hello, my name is Give Him Chills, aka Nash. I stream on twitch.tv/GiveHimChills. You can find me there during the week. I play video games, Minecraft, Call of Duty, and any other game that we feel like at that time. So that is the audio test going on. Test number two is background noise going in 1, 2, 3. Silence. Cool, that'll do it for background noise. Test number three is keyboard noise. I have a very loud keyboard. I have green switches, so it's not really the quietest keyboard for streamers, but I love the way it feels, so we're going to be testing that. Right now the keyboard is behind my microphone, which is not how I usually would do it. I usually use a boom arm or an arm boom, whatever those are called. But yeah, let's test those. Let's test that scenario. The keyboard is currently behind my microphone. Keyboard test going in 3, 2, 1, and go. Cool. We're going to swap them around. We're going to put the keyboard in front of the microphone and we're going to test that. All right, guys. So the microphone right now is behind the keyboard. Let's test that out. Going in 3, 2, 1. Cool. Those are the main three things I usually test when it comes to USB microphones, because other things are not really at the level of my USB microphones to test. A few of the features that I like so far about this microphone is basically the gain knob on the front, which is adjustable. Now it's very low. Now it's really high. And then the dedicated mute button that comes on this microphone that a lot of the FIFINE microphones were missing. So we're going to be using that real quick in 1, 2, 3. Now the mute button is back on. So the other really cool thing is that this microphone at the other end of the connection comes with a USB-C, so you can plug it into MacBook directly, and I believe you can also use it on phones that support USB-C. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and listen to the audio. I will be back in like 2 minutes. I'm gonna listen to the audio and I'll let you know what I think about it. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so I just listened to the audio for the microphone. I just listened to the audio on my PC for the K683A, and I gotta say, it sounds really good. It's very crisp. It's very similar to the T669. It's very balanced, has a crisp tone to the audio itself. The audio pickup is very large. It can pick up my audio from my keyboard from behind and the front, so you might want to add a few filters to this. Obviously, you can hear right now that the microphone sounds way better because I put a few filters on it in OBS, which is just normal for any microphone that you're going to be using. So yeah, this was the K683A. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll respond to all these comments, and don't forget to hit that like button, and I truly appreciate it. But yeah, let me know if you have any other questions, guys, and thank you so much. Bye bye.